Look at that thing, man. Came all together real good. Oh my god.
You know what? You want to see a magic trick on this?
Show me a magic trick. Show me a magic trick. All my boats.
You gotta come check it now. You think I hit
No,
it?
but look how good my boats are, bro. I did that all by hand. These were cruddy. You can see like that one I couldn't get inside there. It was hard. But I did all these by hand, bro. Oh, you see that? Get in there. Get in there, bro. Get in there, dude.
No.
Look at that, man. Oh my god. What you think, bro? What your personal opinion, what do you think about this 2-cylinder type shit? What do you think about the Banshee motor?
Right. What? Back up.
I'm pretty far back.
Right. But how I'm feeling about this motor, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
I feel that is, if they're at a third one.
Right. Yeah.
Leave it at that.
Yeah.
3 pipes.
You heard him. You heard him. What? What the fuck? 3 pipes.
Look, cause you see 1 cylinder, 1 pipe, right?
Right. Yeah.
The third one, you need a third pipe.
I think it only takes 3. I mean 2.
But I'm saying if you had a third one. So take one of these, add a third one.
They do.
So now you got 3. Like,
but it's a snowmobile like motor, I think.
Right. So it's exactly right. But have 3 pipes instead, right? You know, look cool.
Yeah, we about to do a little what is
run?
it called? No, I want to do like a little we just gonna do it, right? We're just gonna go ahead and do it.
The overview?
Alright guys, so it is a couple days later, after I went ahead and got the Banshee motor all together. I went ahead and did a couple things, put the motor into the bike. So yeah, this is probably the end of the video, guys. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow my Instagram. Link is below, so make sure you go check that out and show some love. Other than that, keep a lookout for what's in these boxes. Look at that. So yeah, keep a lookout. After I end this video, I'm gonna go ahead and start another video right after. So if you see me in the same clothes, that's the reason why. So yes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I love you. Peace.